Welcome back to another episode of our Vlogmas. For this episode, ay may guest tayo straight from Qatar. Pero Filipino po siya. She is a Filipino mom based in Qatar. Let's all welcome Mommy Therese! Hello!
Hi, Mami Ara!
Kumusta dyan sa Qatar? O, diba, sabi ko talaga sa intro ko, straight from Qatar, pero Filipino mom siya. Baka akalain nila, taga-Qatar na talaga yung ibang lahi na yung ini-interview ko dito. Mommy Therese, how are you?
I'm good. Actually, it's morning here, so we are 5 hours behind from Philippine time, and it's getting colder na. Kasi mag-winter na, quote-unquote, sa desierto. So,
sana all may pa-winter, diba? Dito tag-ulan lang talaga dito sa Pinas. Pero we are not complaining though, kasi ako mismo ayoko nang masyadong malamig. Hindi kaya ng katawan ko yung masyadong malamig. Yung aircon na lamig, okay lang. Pero yung winter na lamig, no. Anyway, let's start, Mami Therese. Bago ko pala i-ask yung first question, thank you so much. At pumayag ka at pinahiram mo ako ng 15 minutes of your busy life. It's my pleasure. Ikaw ang isa sa mga empowered women na nakilala ko sa internet. And diba, nagka-friends tayo dahil sa Instagram.
Yes.
And I'm very thankful.
Thank you also.
It's such a blessing. Yes. Eto
Super
na
idol ko kasi to, Mommies eh. Isa sa mga idol ko talaga si Mami Ara.
Mas idol kita, ano ka ba? Kasi ikaw, isa ka empowered woman. At dahil dyan, eto na ang first question. Paano mo ine-empower yung mga mommies through your branding and niche? Sorry, maingay dito si Yana na ko po. But ayun, okay, Mommy, how do you empower moms?
For me kasi, so I recently started a live stream, diba? I think it was just a few months ago. And then I encountered this term, and I started calling myself a purpose-driven vlogger. So I use my socials to spread hope and positivity. And hopefully, through this way, I am able to bring back authenticity sa social media feeds ng mga nakakita ng mga posts ko, and through the God-authored stories ng mga guests ko sa show ko. So, ayun, I help moms realize that they can reach their dreams apart from being the wife and the mom that they already are. So, yun.
I like it that you are very authentic sa yung content, Mommy Therese. And I super duper love your baby. Ang cute! By the way, na-feature ko dati si Mommy Therese dun sa aking lifestyle column sa Sansar Davao. It was all about TikTok, diba? TikTok for kids siya. So how do you manage TikTok for kids? Ganun. Parang ganun yung thought nun. Kakatawa. Anyway, eto na. Second question. What is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you? Miss Universe, ha?
Okay. Thank you for that question. Sa akin, I was actually, contemplating. Parang nag-reflect ako. Ang ganda kasi ng question. So, ang naisip ko, is about being grateful of what you have. Pero in the form of hand-me-downs. Kasi while I was growing up, actually I'm the middle child and I'm the only girl. Pero wala sa amin yung parang gender na dahil babae ka, bibilang ka ng syempre sa damit, of course, bago or diba? Pero yung, for example, mga may cellphone, may watch, kahit na yung watch na malalaki na pang lalaki, yun, binibigay sa akin ng, sabihin sa akin ng parents ko na, ito, pinaglumaan ng kapatid mo, ganyan. Parang, it made me, parang masaya na ako doon sa ganun, na parang may bago ako. Kahit na sabihin natin hindi siya yung first dibs, diba, na binuksan mo, na galing sa box. Pero ang saya ko na ng ganun. So ngayon, siguro nakuha ko siya So kahit nasabihin natin yung, syempre meron talaga tayong mga dreams and goals. Minsan, of course, hindi naman lahat yun totally na-achieve as the way we want it to be. Pero I'm still grateful kung ano yung binibigay sa akin ni Lord. Kasi feeling ko, yun yung talagang kailangan ko at the moment. So, yun yung learning experience na.
Yes. Totoo. And that's what we should really teach our children, yung sense of contentment. Kasi dyan natin nakukuha yung real happiness.
Exactly.
Diba, Mami Therese? When you are contented, you are happy. Yung happiness na yun, genuine talaga. Hindi yung fake happiness na temporary lang, diba? Ganun dapat yung ini-instill natin ng mga values sa kanila. And one thing also is, it also teaches us humility.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes,
It teaches us
much.
humility. Lalo na ngayon, parang because of social media, people are very self-entitled. Tapos, diba? Pabonggahan na lang lahat. So, dapat, kahit ako mismo, I admit that hindi, nakakalimutan ko na minsan yung level ko. Dapat ganito ka lang, Ara, minsan, sumusobra ka na, diba? Parang, so, we have always to remind ourselves that
I think lahat naman tayo, we undergo that process or experience, no? Pero, buti na lang na-instill sa akin yun, siguro simula bata pa. So parang, when I catch myself na parang falling into that, parang temptation or yung jealousy, no? So parang, uy, Therese, ito yung sa'yo, diba? Ito yung binigay sa'yo ni Lord, ito talaga yung para sa'yo. So, ayun, parang nga pala, no, I'm sure na may mas maganda pang ibibigay sa akin si Lord kapag na-enjoy ko na itong binibigay niya sa akin currently or aalagaan. So, ayun, totoo yan. Totoo yan, Mami.
I really love your wisdom. Ayan, eto na. Question number 3. As a mom, name top 3 things that you love using for your child siguro this year. Ayan, you can name brands if you want. Para at least may ideas din kami na, ito pala, pwede palang gamitin, etc.
Right. Well, ako naman, so, tinitingnan ko nga yung mga questions na sinend mo sa akin, Mami, no? So, since si Caleb is now, parang hindi na siya baby, pero hindi pa rin siya toddler. So, may nabasa ko ang tawag sa kanila, baby. Yung parang between 1 to 2 years old. Ayun. So, pero currently, we really, parang talagang nabavalue namin first yung kanyang Johnson & Johnson's products. So, kasi si Caleb, he has a lot of allergies talaga. Pero natutuwa ako na binago talaga nung Johnson & Johnson's yung kanilang ingredients na talagang to be more
gentle.
Diba? To be more gentle sa skin niya. And natuwa ko na kung paano mag-react yung katawan niya, yung body ni Caleb is naaalagaan siya ng maigi. From the bath products hanggang sa after bath essentials. Yan yung mga gamit namin. And second is yung Africa stroller niya. So, dyan namin yan nabili kasi wala yan dito sa Qatar. Nakakatuwa kasi I feel like the stroller is growing parang sa needs rin niya, from being baby and now toddler na. Tapos sinabi kasi doon up to 75 kilos so minsan tinry ko rin, no. Pwede pala ako. Ang kulit.
Super tibay talaga ng Africa kaso di namin afford. Kaya masasabi ko siguro sa next baby soon, it's really one of the best investments kasi napakatibay yung quality niya.
Yes. Sa amin naman, Mami Ara, nung na-purchase namin siya, it's at 40% off. Yun yung pinaka-first. Yung second is that we were looking at, since it's an investment, sabi ko, if magkakaroon kami ulit, God willing, ng second or third or, basta si Lord na bahala doon. We know na si Africa will still be there para, alam mo yun, alagaan din kung yung mga magiging kapatid ni Caleb. So, yun yung talagang natutuwa kami sa Africa because of that. And yung third naman is, since nabanggit ko nga na maraming allergies si Caleb, and we were able to na-introduce kami sa yung K&J na nebulizer, yung maliit lang. So, because si Caleb kasi, hindi ko alam kung si Caleb lang or baka babies talaga ganun. Yung ayaw nila ng may nilalagay sa mukha nila, like kukut-kutin yung nose, yung ears, ganyan. Tapos, so yung nebulizer na yun, hindi siya maingay. Tapos, very compact lang siya. Tapos, pagkatulog si Caleb, may times na kailangan pa rin kasi siyang i-nebulize. So, hindi niya napapansin na ninebulize namin siya, diba? So, yun yung sobrang gustuhan ko dun sa product na yun kasi very handy. Tapos, kahit nga nung nasa airport kami nung we flew back from Philippines to here nung February, yun, dala-dala din namin siya just in case na kailanganin namin. So, yun, yung those three products, especially sa needs ng baby ko, swak na swak talaga na nakuha nila yung kailangan namin. So, yun, Mom.
Siguro yung third, tsaka yung second. Agree ako sa first. Yan, yung second, tsaka third. Let's try that soon. Soon, diba?
Yes. And I hope that you won't, you don't need the number 3, but just in case. Because kasi
Just
yung
in case.
nebulizer siya.
Hindi natin alam, diba? Ayan. But, Mommy Therese, how long na nga kayo dyan sa Qatar?
Well,
ilang Christmas na dyan kayo nagse-celebrate?
Christmas, lesser. Kasi since we got married in 2016, we've been celebrating our Christmas there. Pero since yun nga, pandemic ngayon, so, dito kami, and syempre malungkot ang mga lola-lola, diba? Pero ako, I've been here since 2011, so magto 10 years to next year. Oh my gosh. Ang tagal na.
Tagal na, ayan. And speaking of Christmas, natanong ko yun, Mommy Therese, kasi nga, I would like you to tell a message to parents, Christmas message para sa mga parents, lalo na ngayon, di ba? Alam mo, na-mention na natin yun kung ano, but just to empower them for this Christmas season.
Right. So, I think, celebrating Christmas in the pandemic season is quite, it's part of our new normal, right? Pero, I think 2 or 3 days back, I was able to read one of the, devotionals na sa Didake. So, I will borrow her words. I forgot her name. But, sabi niya, cherish togetherness wherever you are and in whatever circumstance. So, we all know that Jesus was, is, and will always be the reason for this season. So, let's just focus on, what really matters. And that is just, being together. Tayong family, diba? That's more than enough, celebrating this occasion with our loved ones. Kasi this year, ang dami talagang nawalan ng mga mahal sa buhay because of the pandemic. So, yeah.
Yes, and we should always remind ourselves na pinaka-importante talaga sa lahat is the gift of family, gift of good health, diba?
Yes, exactly.
Okay lang kahit limited lang yung time and limited lang yung limited lahat ngayon na year eh. Walang mga parties, walang get-togethers, walang travels, diba?
Yes,
yun yung usual Christmas natin mga Filipinos, pero ngayon parang wala eh. But it's okay as long as we are with our family, immediate family, our husband, our children, ayan, yun yung pinaka-importante. Lalo na pag healthy tayong lahat. So that's what we are really praying. Ayan. Mommy Therese, thank you so much for your wisdom. Please know that I really admire your wisdom. I really admire it because you are wise and humble. Ayun. total package na yan. And Mommy Therese, please also invite
Yes.
our moms and dads to also follow you and watch your vlogs because si Mommy Therese po ay may mga vlogs din na mga interviews gaya nito sa kanyang channel and it's very informative. So please invite them, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy Ara, for having me. Sobrang, I'm so honored to be a part of your Vlogmas. And parents, if hindi nyo nakita, I also interviewed Mommy Ara in my channel. So I have my Facebook, YouTube, and my Instagram. And you can just type in Mama Nurtures, MOMMA, space NURTURES. And I hope to see you there. And if you have any other topics na we can discuss, I would be happy to maybe baka makakollaborate ko rin kayo. Like, me and Mommy Ara is doing right now. So thank you so much, Mommy.
Thank you so much, Mommy Therese. And yes, covered mo lahat ng topics, usually, di ba? Intentional parenting, everything about parenting nakukuha doon. Pati mga dads in-interview mo din and it's so cool. Di ko pa na-try yun, Mommy Therese.
Try mo, Mommy.
Wala akong confidence to interview dads. Kasi feeling ko, parang, kasi pag mommies, di ba, ang daling kunin yung mga kiliti. Pero pag mga dads, very masculine. Tapos, parang feeling ko nai-intimidate ako pag tinatanong ko. Kasi ako, makulit akong mama, makulit akong nanay, makulit ako sa asawa ko. So, baka ma-offend yung iba. But, good job, Mommy Therese, for your content. And thank you so much again for being with me today. Merry Christmas at ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Mommy Ara.
And para sa mga moms and dads na nanonood nito, please do comment below if you have Christmas messages or if you want to say something nice to Mommy Therese. Ayan. And also, don't forget to follow her sa kanyang mga social media accounts. Until our next vlog, mommies and daddies, bye!
Bye!